Hi, welcome to this brief tutorial on using Zotero to manage your citations and research. Zotero is an open source citation management tool that allows you to use the web and/or the desktop version of the tool to store, organize, and export citations for your research. To get started, navigate to zotero.org and create your free account. Since I already have an account, I'm going to go ahead and log in. The next thing that I would do is go ahead and download that personal research assistant to your desktop and install the Zotero connector. I believe if you're on a Mac, you'll see a little bit different options here. The Zotero connector is going to live in your browser and will help you more easily sync research to Zotero. So once you've done both, you can go to your Zotero library, you can create folders. You'll see that I have several folders listed here. And I also have organized my research with other people when we've worked on publications or presentations. So other people have access to the same folders and the same research, and they can input and export research as well. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what this looks like in a library database. So I've navigated to my database and I found an article that I want to use in my research. I can access the PDF, and then Zotero recognizes that this is a PDF, an article. So I'm going to go ahead and save to a folder and say done. And then if I navigate back to Zotero and go to the instructional design folder, you'll see that that article is now synced. And I have all of the metadata about that article over here on the right, including the abstract. Something similar on the web or in Google Scholar, if I navigate to a resource, an article, a news source, a website, Zotero will also recognize this, and I can sync to my folder again. Once that I've done all of that, I can start exporting my citations to my Word document. So the great thing about Zotero is that I can right-click and create a bibliography from an item. I'll choose my citation style of choice, copy to clipboard, and say OK. Then I can go ahead and paste it directly into my Word doc. The other great thing about Zotero is that I can actually select multiple sources, create bibliography, choose my citation of choice, copy to clipboard, and copy and paste multiple sources. Now, Zotero is not perfect. No citation manager is, so you'll want to make sure you're organizing your citations appropriately in the bibliography, as well as checking for things like spelling or italices, things that Zotero might have gotten wrong. If you have questions or you want to walk through this with me, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me.